Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the double threaded bracelet method, and this is really good for when you have large or heavy beads. And I'm going to be using these beads today. There's some lovely, we have some lovely colours on these. I'm going to be using some 0.6 elastic. I've got some beaded needles, cutters, this is just some I've already done, ruler, and I've gone ahead. I'm using a bracelet beading tray and I'm doing the 19 centimetre size today. So that's those. So I'm going to go ahead and measure 24 inches. We're going to be folding it in half and going around the bracelet. So although it does seem like a lot, you'll see what I mean. So I'm just going to use my cutters. Now a beading needle, they actually open on the inside. So they're like this. So we are going to thread our elastic. Right, we need to put something at the end of our beads to stop them falling off. And my bead clip has disappeared, so I'm just going to use this decorative butterfly for now. Anything you've got will work. Right, let's take our beads. I'll just put those there. So we just start beading. It's a long time ago since I made a video. I've just been so busy. I've really missed making videos. And I've received some lovely comments from you, which really made my day. So thank you for your lovely comments. Thank you for all your orders. We still got an offer on the website for 10% off. The website is www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, where you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. All the supplies I'm using today are available to buy. And when you place an order, it helps our small animal rescue that we have. So how are you all? I do hope you're all well and having fun crafting. This bracelet that I'm making now is actually an order that I've received. So I've been very busy. So if you've made jewellery to sell or any crafts, I do hope you're receiving the sales the way the world is at the moment. Okay, so we've threaded those on. Just put that to one side. So it looks like this. And what I'm now going to do is go back through the beads, put them like this, back through, so they're double threaded. So those are the ones we've just threaded. And do make sure your hole, the beads, do make sure the holes on your beads are big enough to take the thread when you go back through. You don't have to just use this method for heavy beads. We want to make sure, doubly sure, that your bracelets are strong enough. But obviously it takes a lot more time than just using the normal single thread method. Pulling the tail on that one. I didn't want it to come off. If I had my proper bead clip, it wouldn't do that, but I've had a good tidy up. And what happens when you tidy up, you can never find anything. So that's what we have so far. These to go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available, ideal for the beginner, and lots more planned. Just pull that tail a little bit. That's what we have. So I'm just going to remove the thread, unclip this one, just pull it down a little bit so we've got some thread to work with, some elastic should I say. So as you can see here on the beads, there are 2 pieces of thread on all of them, which we now need to tighten up. As you can see, they're loose. So we just do this. And I just give a little stretch. So here's our 2 strands. And then on here, obviously there's just the 1 strand. So we do, for tying, we just do a normal tie like this. Then we want to get the 2 threads. So we go around and then tie. So in here are the 2. threads pulled tight. I'm now going to do a surgeon's knot. I'm going to go over twice, and then we're going to go this way. And then we're going to snip to get my other cutters. For these. So as you can see, there's our knot, and we've gone over. So use the flat end of your cutters, cut where the knot is. You can, if you want to, apply some glue. I'm not going to on this one. There's the knot. I'm just going to thread the bracelet over the knot, so the knot's actually hidden now, and that's our double threaded bracelet. Just put them with these. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.